The Human Nervous System by Michael Chin. The human nervous system is a complex network of nerve cells and nerve bundles spread throughout the body. Its function is to interpret, store, and respond to information received from inside and out. This nervous system is made up of billions of cells, but the most basic building blocks of the nervous system are the neurons. There are estimated to be as many as 100 billion neurons in the nervous system, and each work together transmitting and receiving electrical impulses that allow us to process information and think. A typical neuron has all the parts and organelles that any cell in the human body would have to function, except there are several specialized structures that set them apart. The main portion of the neuron is called the soma, or cell body. It contains the nucleus, which in turn contains DNA in the form of chromosomes. Neurons have a large number of extensions called dendrites. They often look like branches on a tree and extend from the cell body. It is primarily these surfaces of the dendrites that receive chemical messages from other neurons or from the environment. In the neurons there are long extensions that project out farther than all the others, called axons. Although in some neurons it is hard to distinguish the axon from the dendrites, most axons are significantly longer. The purpose of the axon is to transmit an electrochemical signal to other neurons, sometimes over long distances. For example, some neurons that run from your spinal cord to your toes can be as long as 3 feet. Longer axons are usually covered with myelin sheath, which are fatty cells wrapped around the axon many times. These myelin sheaths make the axon look like a necklace with sausage-shaped beads around it. Neurons have electrochemical signals running through them, and the myelin sheath acts like a plastic insulator around electrical wiring. It keeps the current going smoothly and protects the axon from damage. These electrochemical signals are caused by stimuli outside of the neuron, affecting the voltage. The nerve cells transport electrochemical messages in the axon through the movement and change of ions.